Sometimes I think I'm pretty dumb, and there's Johnny Cash right now playing Hurt as well. So let's make all the holes and start on this Aston Martin. Oh, why do I do this to myself? One down, then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, at least 30,000 to go. So something wrong with the jigsaw. Oh. We're gonna do something slightly unorthodox. So we use a screwdriver to make a line. There's no way I'm doing that long line with my hand. It's all cut out, the letters are dremeled out. This little jigsaw actually did really amazing. My hand is not really tired, because usually whenever it's something this tedious, my hand by the end just pretty much dies. But we're gonna trace this with the pencil and make our backing, and we're pretty much ready to sand and paint. Is when I found this toolbox, I've been wanting to buy a couple of small files, and this was inside, so it works out really well. So I'm going to use these triangle ones for the small bits to flatten out where the jigsaw left some marks, but I'm not going to show it to you, just going and it's done. So originally my plan was just to leave this black and then spray or brush green over it, but I think it'll be better if I roll this whole thing silver, because it'll be more forgiving for me later when I take this off and spray with the Hunter green, or the British racing green, and then hand paint the letters. It's a bit more work, but we're not making a lot of logo over here, so let's give it a shot. Yeah, it was definitely the right call. The sun is out, it's about to rain, and I'm using the roller because if I was to use the brush, as I go into all the holes, we would have a lot of overspill, and then I have to overspray from the back, and then there will be overspray on the front. So with this, very gently, I don't see any flaws, I don't see any leaks. So, oh, and then over here, I brushed this, go with white, but it was almost white initially, the plywood itself, so I didn't videotape myself doing white on white because it's not that exciting. It's all finished. I do little black lines around. It's not 100% perfect. I found my hands were really shaky this morning for some reason. I don't know if it's just too early in the morning or I don't know. But anyways, Aston Martin's a hand built. I remember this story from Win Vicky where some guy kept trading in his brand new Aston over and over because it was just hand built and the quality wasn't a machine like. So this way has some imperfection because it is handmade, and that's how it is. But let's just lock the Montero up and we'll go drop it off at Mike's. Like old friends, McLaren, Porsche. Let's fire this up. fancy paint can setup holder. Thanks for watching, and great success.